Need to top up your Google Play balance? Whether you're using a gift card, Gcash, PayMaya, or other payment methods, this quick guide will show you exactly how to add money to your Google Play account. Let's jump right in. Click your profile icon, then go to Payments and Subscriptions. Now here you can see few methods. First is the redeem code. It's just basically redeeming codes. Next method is payment method. In here you can add your debit, credit, bank, or any type of wallet you're using. Next method is open your Google Pay and search Play Store recharge code. Now choose what account you want to put the money. After adding, click the buy and enter your desired amount. And lastly, click pay. And that's how easy it is to add money to your Google Play balance. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.